Hi, Year 9. We have just learned how to play the bass line for the Boogie Woogie. We ran through these slides. So if you haven't watched that video, make sure you do, because otherwise you won't know what I'm talking about. So for those of you who read music notation, this is a little bit what the bass line, well, this is what the bass line looks like. So if you're going to do this on the piano, if you've got one, or if you're going to try and play it on a different instrument, then that's fine. If you're going to play it on a different instrument, and that doesn't mean that you can play two notes at the same time, I suggest ignoring the top note when we're playing those bare fifths. They're called a bare fifth because if I include the note 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's an interval of a fifth, which outlines a chord, or a triad rather. So good, we've learnt the bass line, you roughly know how to play it. Now you're wondering what is your task to submit. So we're going to go to the virtual backing tracks. So task 1, and I've put these on Firefly for you. You've got your online pianist, so you definitely need that. Green task, learn the bass line and record it and play it on its own. Okay, so do exactly what I just did in my previous video. Record that, no backing track, can be quite slow if you want it to be, but do make sure it's accurate if it is slow. Okay, so task 1, if you want to, and everybody needs to attempt this, but I'd like you to challenge yourself, you need to record that bass line that I've just done in the video previously and submit that as your task and your work for this week. Orange task, play either the reduced bass line with a backing track or the full version with the backing track. So the reduced version is what I was just talking about. So rather than playing both notes at the same time, you just play the bottom note. This is the reduced bass line. Okay, and I want you to have a go at playing either that one or the full one with the backing track that I have put, or I will put, onto this Firefly page. Okay, so backing track sounds a bit like this.
Good grammar and spelling are important. But
let's wait for this to go through.
Essays that inspire.
Here we go. Cool. 2, 3, 4, and then it's going to go to F, 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 and then to G again. Oh, it's gone to C, G, F. Oh, I see. Right, we're going to have a go, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's the big bass line, and if you want to learn it with just a reduced bass line, it's going to sound a bit like this. Notice that I'm playing in time with the backing track. Okay, so there we go. That is our submission for orange. If you want to attempt that task, I'd like for quite a lot of you to attempt that task, please. Red task, play the full bass line and the motifs from last week and a bit of improvisation. So we've got this backing track here. You're going to do the bass line that I've just done. You might then revisit some of the motifs. Okay, so I just had a little bit of a go at improvising. And that's your task, okay? They're your 3 tasks. So if you really want to push yourself, make a little piece up, okay? Have a little tune, do a bit of improvisation, have a little tune again, okay? Have fun, and I look forward to your submissions.